How to run Sanctum Poe 3.25 2025 Easy Guide. Most people get this wrong by downloading files randomly and expecting the game to run. The surprising truth is that Sanctum Poe 3.25 2025 requires proper setup to work smoothly. Start by downloading the official game client from the trusted source. Avoid third-party sites to prevent corrupted files or malware. Once downloaded, install the game in a folder with enough space around 5 GB minimum. You won't believe how often installation errors happen because of insufficient space. Next, ensure your system meets the minimum requirements, at least an Intel i or AMD equivalent CPU of RAM and a dedicated GPU like NVIDIA GTX 1050 or AMD 560. Outdated drivers can cause crashes, so update your graphics and sound drivers before running the game. Before launching, check if the game needs any additional frameworks like DirectX or Visual C Redistributable. These are often essential for rendering graphics and running game scripts without errors. Once everything is ready, run the game as an administrator. This prevents permission issues that could block updates or online connectivity. If you plan to play online, make sure your firewall or antivirus allows the game to communicate over the internet. In-game settings matter too. For smooth performance, start with medium graphics, then gradually increase textures or shadows if your system handles it. Lowering unnecessary effects like bloom or motion blur can give a noticeable boost. In conclusion, running Sanctum Poe 3.25 2025 isn't about luck, it's about preparation. Download from official sources, meet system requirements, update drivers and configure settings for your hardware. Follow these steps and you'll enjoy a smooth, immersive gameplay experience.